Hey, hope you're doing really well. Currently over here in Bali in Indonesia. I've been living out of this resort now for just over a month. Not many people know that actually. I've been living out of this resort for over a month with my wife and with my son, and it's been incredible. It's a beautiful 5-star resort, and I've been running my own Amazon business. That's the point. I've been running my business essentially from here. Nothing has changed, and that is the beauty of having what we call a lifestyle business, where you can work it from pretty much anywhere in the world. It makes zero difference. I mean, I spend roughly about 40 minutes a day, less than 40 minutes a day, I should say. Some days even 10 minutes a day, right? Some days I don't even work my Amazon business, but I work less than 40 minutes a day on my Amazon business, and I can do it sitting by the pool. I can do it sitting in the lobby with my laptop. I can do it anywhere, right? And the beauty of this lifestyle is it enables you to work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, but also it enables you to spend more time with your loved ones, the freedom to spend more time with your kids. And that's why I got involved in this business. And I'm going to be here for another week or so. I'm actually meeting manufacturers as well. So I've actually jumped on, gone up to Ubud, and we've met heaps of Bali umbrellas. You've got the volcanic stone statues, and a whole bunch more. And basically, it is. Oh, hey, how you doing? Basically, it's a beautiful place to sort of stay and work. But you can do this. You could, if you're looking for a change, if you're looking for a little bit more freedom, if you're looking for more choice in your life to spend where you work and how you work, and also spend more time with your loved ones doing the things that you want to do, maybe reach out, maybe have a chat with us, maybe find out a little bit more whether Amazon, selling products on Amazon, is for you. All right? It's not for everyone. It actually isn't for everyone. I don't believe selling on Amazon is a business that anyone can do. You do need to be entrepreneurial. You do need to have a drive. You do need to really, truly want to make a big change in your life. So if you are actually wanting to do something, reach out. I mean, let's have a chat. Let's find out a little bit more about what you're looking to do, whether or not we can help you. We can't help everyone, but we certainly do try. And yeah, let's have a chat, right? But yeah, a whole month here, and I'm spending a few more days here before I head back to Sydney, Australia. All right, bye for now. Have a fantastic day. Talk soon.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them, pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program, because, you know, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, and yeah, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, and I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make
decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.